What is n8n? n8n, it stands for Node, is a powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services together without writing any code. Whether you are a student, freelancer, business owner, or developer, n8n helps automate repetitive tasks, saving your time and effort. What are the key features of n8n? It connects 300 plus apps. n8n supports integrations with popular apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, Notion, Slack, Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, Airtable, and many more. Second one, no-code visual builder. You can easily create workflows using drag and drop interface. Just connect blocks, nodes to define how data flows. And third one, custom code when needed. If you are a technical, you can add JavaScript or Python functionalities for advanced customizations. And also, n8n is very good for self-host or cloud. You can use the hosted version at n8n cloud or install it on your own server using Docker. And n8n is free and open source. n8n is completely open source, giving you freedom, flexibility, and zero licensing fees. Why use n8n? The first one, eliminate manual work, save hours every week, improve accuracy and consistency, build automation skill without coding, and great alternative to Zapier, like more powerful and free to use. What can you build with n8n? Few real-time automation examples like social media automations. In social media automations, auto post to Twitter when you upload a YouTube videos, and email alerts like send an email alerts when a form is submitted or a Google Sheet is updated. And the third one, WhatsApp Telegram bot. Also, it send order updates, reminders, or welcome messages automatically via WhatsApp or Telegram. And also lead management when someone files a Google form, store the info in Notion and alert to sales team. Also, daily report generator. It fetches data from APIs like weather, sales, and format it and send it to your inbox every morning. So what are the components of n8n workflow? A trigger node, action nodes, and logic nodes. Trigger node, what starts the workflows, and action node, what should happen next, and logic node, conditions, switches, or code to process the data smartly. So who should learn n8n? A non-tech student who wants to automate basic digital tasks, and small business owners who manages social media, leads or reports, developers who want to fast way to build integrations. Anyone looking to enter no-code automations career, they are easy to learn n8n. So my name is Prakash Senapati. So I am going to conduct a n8n boot camp. So click the below link to register.